We're going to be deflasking baby Cattleya Orchid seedlings today. For my supplies, I have chopsticks, scissors, tweezers, sphagnum orchid moss, small pots, and 2 bowls of water. I purchased this flask online from Akatsuka Orchid Gardens in February 2023 and deflasked the orchids a few days after my order arrived. The orchid nursery is located in Hawaii. The flask was really easy to open. The one I ordered was in a plastic bottle. The back of the bottle could be cut off with scissors. The fun melody you're hearing in the background is kalimba music I produced and recorded myself. If you're liking this video so far, give me a like. It would really help my channel out a lot if you share this video with your orchid friends who may be interested in Cattleya flasks, and leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried growing orchid seedlings from a flask? What are your favorite orchid nurseries? It's always fun to hear from others in the YouTube orchid community. If you'd like to see an unboxing video of my order, I'll leave a link down in the description below. The seedling flask I ordered is a Cattleya Orchid hybrid. The RLC Irene Creeden Volcano Queen crossed with the RLC Irene Kobayashi crossed with the RLC Volcano Angel Yellow Lip. Before repotting the seedlings, I'm carefully separating the baby plants and using my chopsticks to pick them up and rinse them in water. This part was fun. It was like a game to see if I could pick up each of the plants with the chopsticks. I can't wait to see what the flowers look like. The cross is a hybrid, so each bloom should be unique. For the tools and containers I'm using, I cleaned each of them with alcohol pads before starting to make sure everything was clean. I also pre-soaked the moss. The pots I'm using were purchased on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for the pots that I use. And the sphagnum moss is Better-Gro moss purchased at Lowe's. And for the water, I'm just using regular tap water. All of the plants look really healthy. There are around 40 to 50 plants in the flask. The estimated time to bloom is around 3 to 5 years. Stay tuned for future update videos on the seedlings. There are so many plants. I can't wait to see how many of them I can actually get to bloom. It'll be a really fun journey. Now it's time to start planting all of the baby Cattleya orchids in sphagnum moss. I decided to plant a few plants in each pot. Sphagnum moss should work really good as a medium for these plants. If I forget to water the plants or if I don't have time to water them, they should stay moist for around a week in these pots. There were so many plants, I saved around half of them to pot up the next day. I saved them in a tub of moist sphagnum moss. Here's another look at the baby orchids. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.